In this video, we will discuss about how to find the magnitude of a vector, how to find the unit vector in the direction of a vector, and how to find a vector with given magnitude and direction. So here is our example. Given that vector A is 12, 5. That means 12i plus 5j. That means the vector A represents such a vector that moves 12 unit rightwards and 5 unit upwards. We are asked to find the magnitude of the vector A. Then we are asked to find the unit vector in the direction of A, and finally we are asked to find a vector of magnitude 39 in the direction of A. How to solve this problem? First of all, the magnitude of A, we write it as like this. We write the vector A inside a modulus sign, or we simply write a simple A without any vector sign, equals to root over delta x square 12 square plus delta y square plus 5 square, equals to root over 144 plus 25 root over 169 equal to 13. Therefore, the magnitude of the vector is 13. The second question, find the unit vector in the direction of A. To find a unit vector, we must divide the vector by its magnitude. Our vector is 12, 5. We will divide this by its magnitude 13, equals to, we can write 1 by 13, 12, 5. We know that while we are multiplying a vector by a scalar, we will multiply each of the elements by that number. That means 1 by 13 multiplied by 12, 12 by 13, 1 by 13 multiplied by 5, 5 by 13. This is our unit vector. We can write it as 12 by 13i plus 5 by 13j. We got two of our answers. We found the magnitude to be 13 and we found the unit vector to be 12 by 13i plus 5 by 13j, or simply 12 by 13, 5 by 13 inside a column vector. Now question number 3. Find a vector of magnitude 39 in the direction of vector A. How to solve this? We know that any vector is unit vector multiplied by its magnitude. We are given the direction of A, so the unit vector along the direction of A, we found that, and that vector is that 1 by 13, 12, 5. This was our unit vector. We can write this, or we can write this, or we can write this. We wrote this. This is our unit vector along the direction of A. And what was the magnitude given? Magnitude was given 39. 39 can be divided by 13. This is 3. So if we multiply this vector by 3, 3 into 12, 36, 5 into 3, 15. Therefore, our desired vector, which has the same direction as A and a magnitude of 39, is 36i plus 15j. This is our answer. This type of questions appear very frequently in your Math D O level exam. You must need to get prepared for this.